The Money Transfer Control Number is a unique reference number assigned to every Western Union money transfer. To find the MTCN number, check Receipt. If you are the sender, check the receipt provided by Western Union at the time of the transaction. The MTCN is usually printed on the receipt along with other transaction details. Review email confirmation. If you initiated the transfer online, check your email for a confirmation message from Western Union. The MTCN should be included in the email along with other transfer details. Contact customer service. If you cannot find the MTCN on your receipt or email, you can contact Western Union customer service for assistance. Provide them with the necessary information, such as your name, sender's name, receiver's name, and the amount sent. They may be able to retrieve the MTCN for you. Log into Western Union account. If you initiated the transfer online and have an account with Western Union, log into your account and navigate to your transaction history. The MTCN should be listed alongside the relevant transaction.